Hello all, welcome to Quick Aid. My name is Komal Rani and today's topic of discussion is Introduction to Python. So what for the wait, let's begin. First, we'll look at the agenda for the session. We'll understand what is Python, what are the brief history of Python, the popularity of the Python, applications of Python, followed by advantages and disadvantages of Python. Let us understand what is Python. Python is a high-level interpreted and general-purpose programming language. High-level language is language which is easily understood by the humans. For example, the English language. The opposite of high-level language is low-level language. It is a language which is understood easily by the machines. It is generally in form of zeros and ones. Now, interpretation is actually understanding the code line by line rather than understanding the code completely. General purpose programming language is the language which is understood by general public and is famous all across the globe. Next point is Python is easy to understand and learn due to a simple syntax. Syntax is basically the format of writing the code. Python provides understanding the simple syntax format. Next is it has a wide range of applications in sectors including finance, healthcare, automobiles, and many more. Let us understand the brief history of Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in late 1980s. He published the first version of Python code in February 1991. Python is basically derived from another general purpose language called as ABC. Python got its unique name from a comedy show named Monty Python's Flying Circus, which Guido van Rossum was aware of. Let us look at the popularity of the Python. Some features of Python makes it most popular than other programming languages. Let us look at them one by one. The first feature is platform independent. We can run the Python code in any of the operating system irrespective of the environment. For example, when we write a Python code in a Windows operating system, the similar code can be executed in the Linux operating system. It reduces the task of rewriting the code again and again. The next important feature is Python is simple. It is easy to learn and understand. Python is open source and free to use and learn. Python is high-level programming language which is understood by the humans. Python is scalable, which makes it easy for applications scalable at the larger levels. Python is an interpreted programming language wherein each line of code is read by the machines and errors are notified accordingly. Python is robust, wherein the system doesn't completely collapse in case of any errors inside the code. Let us look at the applications of Python. Python has a wide variety of applications including web development. Web development is one of the applications wherein we can develop websites, mobile applications using the Python code. Some examples of web development are Amazon website, other restaurant websites, and many more. The second important application of Python is machine learning. Here we basically teach the machines how to perform particular tasks using the Python programming language. The next feature is artificial intelligence. Here we develop the machine by giving them examples using Python. Most of the famous examples of machine learning and AI using Python is humanoid robot Sophia. Next application is game development. Using different Python libraries, visually appealing games are generated. Some of the famous games are PUBG, Clash of Clans, Sudoku, and so on. Last but not the least, the application of Python includes data analytics. Here, we analyze the data and create charts, diagrams, and graphs for better understanding of the content. Let us understand the advantages of Python. Due to the absence of brackets and presence of indentation in the Python code, it becomes easy to understand and read. Python is much of the secure language as it doesn't make use of the direct pointer. Python provides us with the extensive support of different libraries like NumPy, PyTorch, Pandas, Matplotlib, which have greater applications in the real world. Python is portable, that is, the Python code written can be run on any machine irrespective of the environments. Python provides us with the excellent productivity of our code. Apart from many advantages of Python, there are few disadvantages of Python as well. The first disadvantage of Python is speed limitation. Whenever it comes to execution speed of Python, it is very slow comparative to other programming languages. In such a scenario, languages like C, C++, and Java are preferred. Python also provides some design restrictions, which is a major disadvantage of the same. Python also has few underdeveloped database layers which uphold the development of the databases in larger organizations. Python is confusing due to indentation. Indentation is basically the space we need to provide whenever we start or end a particular loop or the body. In case of bigger scripts of the code, indentation becomes confusing. Python provides with many runtime errors. Such errors include file not found error, zero division error, and so on, which occur when the code is actually running on the system. Python is also not memory efficient, which is one of the major disadvantages of Python as well. So yeah, that's it all. I hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned further. I hope and wish all are safe and healthy.